3. 1, 2, 3.
How was today? Pretty good. What about you? Good. What did you do? I did math and science.
I did pretty much the same thing.
Then we went outside and played. Then we made funny masters.
Whoa.
Yeah, like these.
Oh, look at
Yeah.
this. What are those birds?
I did activities today.
Yeah. What kind did you do?
Art, crafting, you know.
At school today, we learned about these.
What are these?
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. We learned about them. How do you need to listen to kids? It's hard. Yeah.
So, you ready for good school?
I'm ready for vacation.
Is that anything to do with my
Okay, I'll be your question.